Hello, welcome back to my channel Notebook Maths. Today I am going to solve this integration chapter problem 2x plus 3 whole cube. We have to integrate this term. Okay, given question is integrate 2x plus 3 whole cube. So this is class 11 maths. Okay, by using substitution, method of substitution, we are going to solve this. Okay, solution I am going to start now. Here integrate 2x plus 3 whole cube is given to dx. With respect to x we have to do. So I am going to take this term as take 2x plus 3 is equal to t. To make it very easy, I am going to solve first this term, and to simplify this, let us differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay, now 2x x is 1 and x differentiation is 1 and dx plus constant is there 0, t is dt. Okay, now 2 dx equal to dt. Okay, dx equal to how much? From this dt by 2. Okay, this 2 comes to this side, we get dt by 2. Okay, by using this we are now simplify this given term. As we are taken 2x plus 3 is t. Now let us start integrating. Okay, now what? Integration of, substitute this term as t cube into dx is how much? From this dt by 2. So we simplified this whole term as t cube into dt by 2. Now very easy to integrate this now. Okay, by using this method of substitution, we have to substitute 2x plus 3 is equal to t in place of this term. Okay, here t cube dt by 2. Now this constant I am writing outside. Let us integrate this t cube dt. So we know that x power n is equal to integration of dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c is the formula. Okay, this is very important formula. So before doing problems, we have to perfect in formulas. So 1 by 2 integration of t cube is t power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 dt plus c. So now integrated. So 1 by 2, this is multiplication, t power 4 by 4 plus c. Okay, now this term is denominator becomes 8 t power 4 plus c. Now what we have to write in place of t? We have to write in final answer, we have to write here t is what we have taken? T is 2x plus 3. So substitute here 2x plus 3. So to get final answer, we have to write in the last step t plus we have to write what we are actually taken, t. So this is the integration of 2x plus 3 whole cube dx final solution. So like this we have to do the method of substitution in integration chapter. Okay, many problems are there to do from exercise. So this is a very important problem I have done here. So please watch complete video so that you can understand the method of substitution and how to integrate this problem. Okay, thank you for watching. For more videos, please go through my channel and like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.